Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebube. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I will show you guys on how to make this beautiful bow. So guys, let's just get started. To make this bow, you have to cut out a fabric that is going to give you the desired size of the bow that you want to make. So right here I have a satin fabric. I also have a tulle, and then I have my beads. And my fabric is on fold already, and it is right side facing right side. The length of my fabric is 15.5 inches, okay? And then the width is 11 inches. So guys, this is the right side. Now I'm just going to take my tulle net and place it on it just as you see me doing. And this is actually the right side of the tulle. The shiny part, as you can see, it is facing me. That is the right side. So I'm just going to stitch the middle. I'm going to pin and then run a stitch at the center. So guys, I've stitched this as you can see. Now I'm just going to close it up just as you see me doing. Just going to close it up, to fold it and close it. And I'm going to mark about 1 inch. Okay, and this 1 inch I'm marking at the center is for the turning after stitching. And then I'm going to run a stitch, but I'm going to pin it to make it easy. So guys, for the tail of the bow, this is actually for the tail of the bow. My material is on fold and it is right side facing right side. The width is 5 inches, okay, it is on fold, while the length is 22 inches. I'm just going to fold it, okay, just as you see me doing. And then I'm going to mark 1.5 inch down here, okay, mark 1.5 inch. And up here, I'm going to mark 2 inches. And then I'm just going to use my ruler to connect and draw a straight line there. After that, I'm going to connect the 2 points, okay, with my ruler and just draw a slant line, just as you see me doing. And then I'm just going to use my scissors and cut this out. So guys, after cutting it out, you open it up, okay? So open it up and mark 1 inch at the center, and that is for the turning out. And then I'm just going to pin down and stitch with 1/2 inch, okay? I'm going to skip the 1 inch that we marked. I'm going to skip it and then continue to stitch to the end. So guys, the strap is on fold and it is right side facing right side. The width is 1.5 inches, while the length is 6 inches. I'm just going to stitch with 1/2 inch. So guys, I've stitched up everything, the bow, the strap, and then the tail. What I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to trim the bow. And after trimming it, I'm going to start turning everything. Just watch closely and see what I'm doing. So guys, after turning this, I'm just going to carefully push out the edges, okay, and leave it pointy. While doing this, you have to be careful so you won't end up tearing it. You push out the four edges, okay, and leave it pointy. And I'm also going to do the same on the strap and also on the tail. Then I'm going to take my pressing iron and give this a good press. But while pressing the bow, the one that has tool on it, you have to be very careful. Just use it. Your iron should be on low heat so it won't get burnt. So guys, after that, I'm just going to open it up. Just watch closely and see how I'm opening it up. And then I'll start picking my beads and throw them in. So guys, after putting my beads, I kind of divided the beads, okay, as you can see. And then I'm going to stitch this place close. The place that we left open, I'm going to stitch. So guys, I've stitched it already. I've stitched it close. And then I'm just going to pleat. Okay, just as you see me doing, I'm going to make a pleat on the bow and then take the tail and place it like this, just as you see me doing. And I'm just going to use this strap, the strap that I made, to tie it. You can use your normal threads to tie it first before you add your strap. The strap is too long. I'm just going to trim it off a little bit. And then after that, I'm just going to use my needle and my thread to hold it down, okay? Just to sew it and keep it in place, just as you see me doing. So guys, our bow is ready and it came out looking very beautiful, okay? So I just added a press button to this, as you can see, and I use my needle and my threads to do that. I also added this press button to the body of the dress. Just watch closely and see how to place it there. So guys, we've come to the end of this beautiful tutorial. If you find this video very helpful, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and please turn on the notification bell, okay? Thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for stopping by. See you guys on the next one.